Right, what we have here is one of my fan collection. This is a McGraw Edison Zero, guessing back from about the 70s. Big old thing, awesome. Just got its first cleaning in about 12 years. First time the motor's been oiled in at least 15 years. Doesn't like to run on low. It'll run on high. I can get it to run on low. It just doesn't like to start on low. 3 speeds up on the top. These two nuts were actually horribly loose. Tightened it up, runs a lot better now. I actually thought they were stripped out. They were tightening so far, but they actually did stop and tighten fully. Old metal grill on it, it's like you don't see anymore, and missing one screw down in that corner. But that just adds to the effect that it rattles, and that just also makes it more awesome. Let's see what we can get to fire up. We'll start it up on low and see how well it wants to run. That's actually not running too bad. Takes it some time to come up, but that's actually not running too bad on low. The newer fans, you just don't get that same startup sound, and this one has always had a buzz. Never did know why, but it just wouldn't be the same without it. Decent air movement across the crap on the workbench. Oiled it real good front and back, cleaned more dust in, out, and around it than I'd ever want to see again. And good to run for another 30 years. It's always had that one little thing on the switch. You can always turn it between and turn it off. But it's a lot better now than it used to be. Used to use it all day, every day back in the old house to supplement the non-central air conditioning. Running so much better. For the next 1 or 2 weeks, I suppose, probably, until I'm convinced that it's good, or I either can't get it to stand up, I'm going to be running it as my primary fan in my bedroom. I have a $10 fan that I picked up. Does a nice job, just really cheaply made, but still does a nice job. The main problem with this one, despite its massive weight, it doesn't have feet. And trying to stand up on carpet doesn't really do too bad. It hasn't been known to vibrate itself